In this video, we'll show you how to import opening balances and generate carry-forward entries in 11. To begin, go to the Accounting tab and select Journal Entries from the navigation bar. On this page, click the Import CSV button on the right. Download the provided template, fill in your balances, and import the CSV file back into the system. If there's an error, you'll receive a message to help you fix it. That's all you need to upload your initial balances. If you're migrating open invoices, visit our support page for a step-by-step guide complete with screenshots to help you through the process. To generate a carry-forward entry, click Manage My Companies at the top right. Before generating a carry-forward entry, you'll need to create your next fiscal year. Then, find the fiscal year you'd like to carry forward from, click the ellipsis menu, and select Carry Forward. Choose the account you want the carry forward to be generated with, and click Create Entry. The carry forward entry will automatically update when the previous fiscal year is closed. That's it! We have covered all the steps you'll need to set up in 11. For more advanced tutorials, visit our support page on our website.